love Rice Krispie Treats and a big giant bowl. Marshmallow, butters, and vanilla.
What do you like about Rice Krispie Treats?
When they're baked.
When they're baked? Why? Because you like them and then you can eat them. Funny face, ready, set, go.
Those Rice Krispies together. So big.
You need help? You want me to lift it?
Yes.
Here. Alright, you spoon it up. Let me know if you want my help.
I need your help. That sounds cool. Now cut the Rice Krispies out. A timber sweet that you love. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, and I'll put there. That's the chocolate and a microwave. Put that in the chocolate. Alright, let's announce. These are like little sprinkles, like the little M&Ms. This one very right so we can eat that. I'm putting blue ones on there and other colors because these colors are my favorite. If you put blue on those, blue is my favorite. Hey, that's good enough. Hey, stay on it. Go up. Stay. Yeah, I stopped now. Look.
You stopped eating them after half the bag's gone?
Mom, I just need to put these balls in.
Okay.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, let the chocolate dry, and then the joy. Thank you for watching and happy baking.